Hello again everybody, welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection, box break number 36. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number NE189529159. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. So we have a base card for the Bruins of Bobby Orr, number 40 out of 399. We have an Ultimate Rookies for the Panthers of Bracken Kearns, number 186 out of 399. Our decoy. We have a nice hit for Boston. It's Ultimate Signatures card of Bobby Orr. Beautiful hit for Boston. Then to finish it off, we have an Ultimate Jerseys for the Canucks of Daniel Sedin, number 62 out of 100. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.